Welcome to Vlogmas Day 1. I am honestly so excited. Christmas is my absolute favorite time of year, and I've been looking forward to this moment for a while. There's just something about the lights, the music, the joy of the season, and of course, all the cozy vibes. To kick off Vlogmas, I'm sharing what I did on my first day of my solo trip to Jamaica. Enjoy. Just arrived in beautiful Jamaica on my solo trip. What time is it? It's like 3:39 a.m. Anyways, I'm just waiting on my dad to pick me up now. Sitting at the airport. It's not very busy. My flight got here about 3 a.m. and I'm already outside at 3:30 a.m. So yeah, just here waiting for my dad. We'll talk more later. All right. It's a beautiful day in sunny Jamaica. I am just got ready and I'm going out on the road with my dad. We're just gonna run some errands. So yeah, just wearing my little Zara t-shirt and my old Express shorts with my Shein slippers. So yes, I'll show you guys. Well, this is what it looks like from the front of our yard. Mango tree, coconut tree. Yeah. So nice. R&B Urban Center. Wow. So last time they did so much work wasn't done. It's almost there. They're going really fast. Work is going really fast. R&B Urban Center, right? So they're still working. Wow. I like how they separate the road here. Didn't imagine I would see this in St. Thomas. Getting Jamaican beef patties at Juicy Beef in Martin Bay, St. Thomas. So I'm just waiting for my patties right now. This is how the store looks. It's always full though. Line's always long in here. So we're just waiting. The patties have arrived. And cheese patty. I'll show you the patty when I start eating. Yeah, you can. I'm eating some Jamaican juicy beef patty. Delicious. Doing road work here. I need to go to the beach. Look at the sea. Such a beauty. Almond tree. So I'm in the town. I just went to that store to get some money exchange and also to ask about my phone. So when I'm home with at my dad's house, I can easily get internet access, but when I'm outside, for some reason my phone doesn't work well, my T-Mobile phone. And I need to get calls tonight, so I went to ask if I could get service directly to my phone, and I was told no, I can't get service directly to my phone. I would need to have a local number, maybe switch out my chips and get a local chip. I don't want to do that because my main reason is to get calls on my regular phone tonight, right? So what we did is that on my dad's phone, he had internet service. So what I'll do is I'll stay close to my dad's phone, and use his hotspot. So that's what I'm doing for tonight. Using my dad's hotspot so I can receive regular calls from America tonight. Other than that, I don't mind waiting until I'm home to use the internet. But yeah, I have some special calls I have to get tonight, so I need to make sure that I have internet access. Yeah, so that's what it is. Just to let you know, if you're traveling to Jamaica, like if you're spending a lot of time here, you can get a local trip and exchange it in your phone, and it will work like that. But you can't just add service to your regular phone. Maybe you know that already, but I'm just highlighting that. Anyways, so that was the same store, the money transfer store that has exchanged some money and then talk about my phone. So let me show you what money looks like. Let's see, one of my bills. So these are some nice crispy $1,000 bills. So this is what it looks like if you don't know. These are like the newer version of the Jamaican $1,000 bills. Yeah, and this is what it looks like. This is like the local local mall in Mart Baytown. They literally sell everything here. Carpets up there, hair supply, wholesale liquor, photograph place. They used to have a gym down here, actually. I used to go to a gym down here back in the days. Chicken and more. There's a lunch spot over there. I don't know if you can see the sign. Chicken and more. Flow, I guess that's one of the phone brand. Flow. Yeah, this is what it looks like here. So this is how we have dinner in Jamaica, on the veranda. Everything's done on the veranda. I'm having some curry chicken with bulgur. This is bulgur, right? Mm-hmm. So it's the rice substitute, bulgur. So yeah. I know, I was gonna say, turn the light on. So my dad is sitting over here too, and this is his, look at his plate. He has a lot of bulgur. My dad thinks he eats so much and he doesn't gain any weight, so he's like always just eating the most food. So see, he's literally sitting at his doorway. You guys see the fan? We're outside, but we have the fan because it's a little bit hot in the daytime, even though it's like getting dark now. So hopefully later on it will be a little bit cooler. But yeah, we have the fan here, cool us down and get rid of some of the mosquito. And then we're just here eating and chatting. Yeah. Had a little kitty come to get food. Where is he? Oh, there he is. Want some of the curry chicken, huh? Oh, they like to get your food. But this curry chicken is good. So I would love some of this right now with some white rice. So what are we gonna drink? Water. So we're gonna drink water. We're gonna drink literally water. You put pumpkin in there? Pumpkin and carrot. It's real good. Pumpkin, carrot, and looks like there's noodle too. in the curry chicken. Yeah. Mm. So it's still my first day in Jamaica, and right now I'm getting ready to go to what we call a dead yard in Jamaica. So if the light is clear, so this is when someone passed. So this is my uncle, and he was also my former pastor when I was living here. He passed away, and I'm really here to attend the funeral. So I'm just getting ready to go to his again, the dead yard. So yeah, my dad is already there. I'm just like, I just took a shower, and I'm just throw this dress on, and I'm just getting ready. Have my little curler thingies. So yeah. So basically this is how we, I think in America we do it somewhat, like Jamaicans in America do this somewhat. Like we basically have several nights of celebration for our loved ones that pass. So that's basically what's going on. So the funeral is on Saturday, so that's going on tonight and tomorrow night, and then the funeral is on Saturday, and the viewing and everything's on the same day. All right, so hang out with me for a little bit while I try to get ready. This is my beer vanilla. I love vanilla. So I'm beginning to think that my dad's favorite color is yellow. Well, I'm assuming. I didn't ask him, but looking at all this yellow everywhere. Yellow is at his store. Yellow is in his bedroom. So he's so yellow. He loves yellow. Just trying to get myself some for my big curls. Let me see. Can we even see? Let's see. It's much better. Keep forgetting how tall I am. So yeah, so I don't typically travel all the way for everyone's funeral, but my pastor, I call him, everyone calls him Pastor Smith, but I call him Cousin Dudley. At church I call him Pastor Smith sometimes, but when no one is looking, I listen and I say Cousin Dudley. So like it was really, really special to me. He was always there. I went on a lot of church trips with him, traveling all over. So if you know St. Thomas, you know. So we live in White Horses, and I would like travel to Danvers, Spen with him. I would travel to Kingston. I would travel to Yalis. I would travel all over with him. So yeah. So I remember the days, you know, the days of going to church 3 times per week, like Friday nights, Sundays, and I think Tuesday nights, like one night throughout the week. Yeah, doing Bible studies. Oh my God, what Jamaicans call drop off a ship. That's basically me. I was so involved with church, and now I'm like, I don't know what I am now, but maybe this is a sign for me to get closer to God, you know? A sign for me to start going back to church, and yeah. I think this is my sign. So yeah, I really love you know, I still read my Bible, by the way. I always have always have a Bible, even though the kids, like all the small kids, my kids, when they're small, they basically just like tear the Bible leaf. So I always keep it still. I keep the old leaf and replace the Bible sometimes. And I read my Bible, and I'm, you know, I try to stay close to God, as you know, but I can do better. I can do way better. And I've done this before, so I know what it's like, and I just need to do it. Spend more time and get closer to God again. So yeah, I guess I made some curls. Kashi gave me nice curls, my hairdresser, but I don't know, it's so hot here, so as soon as I walk out, it's like basically the curls are like drop. But it's not a big deal. So yeah, it was really special to me. He's always encouraging, and he's always praying for me. You know, we're always traveling to pray for other people. So there's no way that I could like stay in the US and not attend his funeral. So I found this, I don't know, maybe you guys know already, but I found this Shimmering Radiance Body Gloss. Cocoa butter. I always use cocoa butter, but I've never seen this. Like, this is like really good for the sunlight. My skin was like really glowing earlier today. All glittery, shimmery. So I probably used too much, but I'm gonna rub a little bit on my legs, even though it's darker out. But this makes my skin looks glowy and shimmery. I like to look shimmery sometimes. I don't know, is it too dark in here? My dad has 2 overhead lights, but who knows? Oh, look. My dad actually has his Bible on his table too, with his I'm exposing him, oh my God. So let's see, he has it on, wow, let's see what Psalms he was reading. In thee, O Lord, do I put my trust. Let me never be put to confusion. Wow. Deliver me in thy righteousness and cause me to escape. Incline thine ear unto me and save me. All right. Put in his stuff just like I see it. But what is he doing with this? I thought he said he's not smoking anymore. Oh boy. I wonder what he's doing with that. Is he going to tell me that that's old? It's been there forever? I don't believe, because it's on his Bible. Maybe I'll tell you guys what he said. Because he doesn't smoke anymore. Well, at least that's what he told me. So anyways, enough of prying into his business. What else do I need to do? Oh, maybe I can put a little bit of powder on my face, just to cool my face down a bit. So I'm not like the typical YouTube girl I'm bad with makeup. I have no idea what I'm doing. Someone needs to like send me like a real tutorial that I could practice, an easy one that I could practice. So I have this this Fenty Beauty, and I put this mainly under my eye. I know I probably should be putting a concealer, but I put this mainly under my eye because my eyes get dark. I don't know, maybe I don't sleep enough, but my eyes get dark. So I put this mainly under my eye. And then I kind of mix the Fenty with my glossier. I found this, I don't know, maybe a year ago, and I really like the way it makes my skin look when I put it on. It's like really glowy and softer than if I just used the Fenty. Well, I didn't understand enough, so I went and asked, and they told me the Fenty is like more matte, and the glossier, as the name says, it's like kind of glossy, basically, and glowy. So I find that I like that more, but the Fenty works much better underneath my eyes. So I put the Fenty there, and then I kind of mix the Fenty with the glossier outside. So if it's not obvious enough, I don't know what I'm doing, but I do the basics to get my face looking a little bit smooth. Yeah, so I'm just spending a few days. I'm here by myself, no husband or kids. Oh, that feels good. Oh, you're not hearing me, right, Oral? Don't watch this vlog. I'm gonna try to edit this vlog myself, and you shouldn't watch it. But anyways, I'm basically just so yeah, that's basically it. I'm a total minimalist. Like, I feel like once my lashes are done. Can you guys see them? Okay, let me see them on the light. So once my lashes are done and my eyebrows are done, I feel like that's, and I have a little bit of concealer under my eyes and, you know, over my face. I feel like that's usually good enough. And I always put a little bit of the powder. What do you call this? I don't know, pressed powder? Powder. I normally put a little bit of the powder over the liquid. I put the powder over the liquid. I always do that. I just dust a little bit all over my face. Again, I'm not the usual like get my face beat kind of gal. I wish I could. I don't know how to do it. And this is Revlon. This is like dark 060. I think this is like my perfect match. So I literally reordered on Amazon every time because it's been a while since I've been able to get it in the store, like the regular drugstore. I haven't been able to find my color, so I always have it like in my cart on Amazon, and I go back to like my repurchase and I always find it there on Amazon because I feel like this is my perfect match. 60 dark. So that's what I use. Like my other stuff I get from Sephora, but the powder one I can never get, so I always get it from Amazon as soon as I run out. That's like my perfect match. And then, so my daughter usually sprays stuff on her face after, and I'm like, what are you doing? Like, what are you doing? And then I realize it's just all a part of the makeup routine. Makes your makeup more glowy and soft, and especially that I barely use anything, I just start doing it. So it's almost done. I got this in Sephora. It's almost finished. So I start doing the same thing. Oh, okay. And then I'll put a little bit of some on my lips. I have this Fenty lip gloss. I have no idea what color is it. I don't know, but it's basically neutral glossy. This one's almost done, so yeah. And I call it a night. I call it a night. Sometimes for a little bit of the oil sheen right up here, but see, the curls are already gone before I even leave, but it's all good. So that's it. I'm going to probably just take my bag. This is my sanitizer. Like, pour one of the big ones out, you know, and have a little bit. I always keep a little bit of sanitizer in my wallet. I have a little bit of Jamaican cash with me, just in case. I don't know. Let me see what jewel I brought. I brought my YSL bag, and I'm just gonna carry. I don't even know if I don't think I need it, but I won't have anything to put my wallet. I don't want to have anything to put my phone in, so I'll just keep it. I had this thing I got from, I don't know where I got this. Oh, I think I got this from Shein, this 3-piece necklace. And where'd my little earrings from the last 2 days? I'm gonna keep them in. So it's like a cross and a butterfly. And I got them both from Shein a little while ago. Maybe from last summer, but I haven't really been wearing them. I wear the cross a lot, didn't wear the other one. And these, maybe I'll put one on. These are just some little rings from Shein. Let me see this one. Just wear this one like that. Other than that, I wear my wedding ring. And I really don't need too much. I'm not going anywhere. I'm just gonna hang out with my family. Most of who I grew up with, especially his youngest? No, his almost youngest daughter. I grew up with her. Grew up running around in the bush, climbing the mango tree. Oh my God, I saw her today and I was like, do you remember when we always climbed the mango tree? She's like, of course I remember. That time we climbed the black mango tree and saw that the green lizard. If you guys climb tree if you lived in Jamaica, whether you're a girl or a boy, and we're always seeing lizards in the tree. Oh my God, that was my worst fear, but I never stopped climbing. I was always climbing, though I'm scared of seeing the lizards. One time I saw a snake in the tree. And I ran out of that tree so fast. So yeah, okay, so I think I'm ready. I'm not gonna take my wallet. Again, I have some cash. I have my sanitizer. Oh, let me see if my edges need a little bit of edge control, booster edge. I don't really think I need anything, but I'll see. Actually need to just go now. If Oral was here, he would be like, Stacey Ann, you're not ready yet? Now that he's not here, I can stay as long as I want to do nothing. Haha. I can do nothing and brush my airline as long as I want. Talk nonsense to the vlog because he's not here as long as I want. I miss them, but it's always nice to just take a breather by yourself every now and then. Think clearly without having to, let me plug up this iron before I burn my dad's house down. Think clearly without, having anyone else around. I just hang out with my dad, and tomorrow the plan is for me to go to the falls tomorrow because my dad gets up early every single morning, about 6 a.m. or so. I think he said like 5:30. And he walks to the beach where the fallen is, and I'll show you guys tomorrow because I told him not to leave me, wake me up so I can go with him. Anyways, I'm gonna run now because I'm gonna go to that yard and hang out with my family and just, you know, reminisce on my pastor uncle's life. All right, so I don't think I'm gonna vlog. Maybe I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna vlog, but I'll see you guys later. All right, bye. It's nice chatting with you guys like this. I don't think I've ever done this, so this is nice. Hope you guys are enjoying this. My just hanging out and chatting in my dad's yellow apartment. So cool. I was chatting so much, I forgot to mention that the dress, well, I said I was taking my YSL bag. The dress is like from Express. I think I have it like a year now. This is my second time wearing it, or my first time wearing it, I don't know. And my slippers I had on earlier from Shein. And I just put my watch on. What is this? Marc Jacobs. Yeah, oh, and this is on the band for the passing. And oh, I have to go back. I have oh my god, I think I left it in the house. And I don't have the key. Okie dokie. I don't have the key, so that's it. Look, I'm going up here. It's so dark. This is how dark it is. Like, this lighting is from my dad's gate, and then I'm going up this hill, and it's so dark. So I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna run up the hill.
Thank you for watching our show. Please subscribe and see you next time. Bye.
Sit higher,
That's
Trip.
enough